In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment details to Redbubble account. If you're selling designs on Redbubble, setting up your payment details is essential so you can actually receive your earnings. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, keeping it simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to redbubble.com. Make sure you're signed into your artist account before you proceed. If you aren't logged in yet, use your usual credentials and wait for the home page to load fully. It's a good idea to check that the address bar shows the secure connection indicator to keep your information safe. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This is the small avatar circle that opens your account menu. If you're using a smaller screen, the icon might be tucked into a compact menu. Just expand it and you'll see the same options. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main settings dashboard where you manage personal details, shop preferences, and payout options. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. Next, find and select Edit Payment Details. This is the section dedicated to how Redbubble sends you your earnings. The option may appear as a button or a link within a Payments or Payout area, but it will be clearly labeled. Clicking it opens a secure form. Now enter your payment details. Depending on your location, you may be able to choose from options like PayPal or bank transfer. Fill in the required fields accurately, things like your PayPal email address, your account name, or bank information such as an IBAN or routing number. Double check every character before you continue. A single typo can delay payouts. If you're using PayPal, make sure the email you enter is active and able to receive funds. If you're entering bank details, ensure the account is in your name and supports incoming international payments if applicable. Take a moment to review any notes on currency or payout thresholds so you know when and how you'll be paid. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save Changes. Wait for the confirmation message to appear and then glance back over the saved information to confirm it looks exactly as intended. If anything appears off, return to the form and correct it right away. That's it. Your payment details are now set. Keep them updated whenever your banking or PayPal information changes so your earnings arrive without interruption.